Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying service and power. Make sure cellular data is enabled and your carrier plan allows tethering. Once done, plug in or ensure battery is sufficient so the hotspot won't die mid-setup. Now go straight to Settings, then Personal Hotspot. On some phones, it's under Connections or Network. You're not configuring anything else yet. This is about getting to the hotspot controls so you can set name, password, and connection method in the next step. You now configure the hotspot itself. Change the network name to something short and non-identifying so devices can find it quickly. Then select WPA2 or WPA3 security and create a strong password of at least 8 characters. This prevents unauthorized data use. Make a deliberate choice of band, pick 2. 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speed, and enable tethering modes like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB, depending on the device. You're ready to link a device. Pick Wi-Fi for most phones and laptops, or use Bluetooth or USB for low power or secure tethering, then enter the password. Once connected, check the hotspot's client list and data counter so you don't exceed limits. Make sure to turn it off when finished. If a device won't connect, try toggling the hotspot off and on, restart your phone, or reset network settings as a last resort. These steps clear conflicts and usually fix stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.